How to shut down your Windows with a key combination. What's up everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys two methods on how you can easily shut down or turn off your Windows with a series of key combination. So it's kind of a shortcut, so just follow along. The first shortcut is you have to press Windows key like this and hold it down and press X. So press Windows plus X and this menu will pop up. Now as you can see here, you will find certain letters underlined. So if you press these letters, it will toggle this switch. So for shutdown and sign out, it's under U. So just go ahead and press U. So Windows plus X and then press U. It will bring out this menu. And here you'll find four options. Sign out. If you want to sign out, it's I. If you want to put your laptop to sleep, it's S. If you want to shut down, it's U. And if you want to restart, it's R. So if you press Windows X and then U twice, your PC will shut down automatically. The other combination is to press Alt F4. So if you press Alt F4, you can toggle the switch, and if you want to shut down, you can keep this on the shutdown and then hit enter. So if it is not working for you, if you press Alt F4, then try pressing function plus Alt F4 and it will bring out this menu. You can use your arrow button to toggle between these options, and once you find shutdown, just hit enter and it will shut down your laptop. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.